Cat Facts You Didn't Know, Part 38. Have you ever wondered how to communicate with your cat? Just like you, cats are emotional creatures, and you can literally communicate with emotion alone. Here's what that looks like. Cats need to feel loved and safe, so by getting on their level and not making any scary sudden noises, you can communicate that they can feel comfortable. You can then gently pet them and carefully watch their reaction. If they try to move away, it's literally a signal to stop. So if your goal is to make them feel safe, don't force any pets. But like humans, cats can have a love language. So in the comments, let me know if your cat loves physical touch, quality time with you, or if they show affection in any other way.